Hey kids, how are you doing? Teacher Anna back here. We are going to start a new subject. We are going to talk about farm animals. Those are the animals that live in the field. We are going to learn the name of them. We are going to start this class by watching a video, so try to pay attention to the names. And then we are going to give the names of them right here. Let's start with the video. Check it out.
Chicken. Sheep. Cow. Horse. Pig. Goose. Donkey. Duck. Goat. Turkey.
Now that you saw the video, you know that we have a chicken, we have sheep, we have a cow, pig, rooster, a horse, a dog. We have a lot of animals here. And now we are going to practice your vocabulary. You have an activity to do. So open the link that I sent you. Is this one over here. In this link, you have this activity to do. We have some farm animals. You're going to listen to the name by clicking here. Horse. We have 4 images of animals. You're going to click in the horse. Which one of these 4 is the horse? Then you have another one, for example, this. Cow. We have 4 animals here. Which one is the cow? You're going to click in the right one. When you finish all of them, you're going to click here, finish, and check my answers. This is going to give you the score for this activity. We are going to continue to talk about farm animals in the next class, and I see you there. Bye.